Very good morning, students. I hope that last class you don't have so much of problems, doubt also. If you have doubt, pause your videos. You see the videos 2-3 times. Okay. Today we'll start with the new chapter that is the trigonometrical identities. That will be module 1. This chapter you have done in class 9. So I'm making a revision over here. See, we know that in a right angle there is a right angle triangle. Then right angle triangle is given that ABC is a right angled at B. Now here we know that what is the formula of sine, cos and tan, these things. I'm just revising once. Okay, sine A means what is the angle given here? The angle is this one is given. That means what? The angle opposite side will always be the perpendicular or height. Perpendicular or the height. These things you have to very careful. Now we are coming cos A and cos B. These things height by hypotenuse, base by hypotenuse, and tan is height by base. Next we are coming, see the other part, that cosec A, just the opposite of sine is what? Cosec. See what you have written, height by hypotenuse. This is just the opposite of sine, that is hypotenuse by height. Reciprocal, that is only called as reciprocal. Now sec A, what the cos of the opposite of cos? It is given base by hypotenuse, and what will be base hypotenuse by base. Cot A is given what? Base by height. Base by height. Tan is given height by base, that will be the opposite of base by height. Now we have written one more part. This is you have to be very careful. Why? See here I have written sine C. I have not written sine A. It is written sine C. Now if it is sine C, then which side will be the height or the perpendicular? I have told you in A, this is the angle, the opposite side, this is the opposite side, this should be always be the perpendicular or height. Same thing, if I take C as the angle, then definitely the opposite will be what? This will be the height. Now here also see sin C I have written what? See height written opposite to C. This is base and the hypotenuse is the common. Hypotenuse, there is no change in the hypotenuse. Always is change in the height and the base. Then sin C, what is the opposite? This sin height. AB by AC written, height by hypotenuse. Same cos C, base by hypotenuse, and tan C also height by base. These things you have to be very careful where the angle is given. Okay, I hope you have understood this part. Next we will go for the reciprocal relations. See what is given reciprocal relations. From here, see I have written sine theta or any of the angles, sine A or sine theta, or that can be written as. See over here it was written as sine theta. I can write down theta or angle A, what is, as because it is given here angle A. If it is mentioned any other angle over here, that name will be over here also the same thing. Okay, then this is a reciprocal relationship. What is given? Sine equals to 1 by cos, and cos is also written as 1 by sine. Cos is also 1 by sec, sec is also 1 by cos, tan is 1 by cot, cot is 1 by tan. Now the product means what? Sine into cosec, value is coming what? 1. How it is coming? See, sine we know what is the value of cosec. Cosec is what? See, just now I did 1 by sine. I did over here sine. Then sine and sine cancelling out. What is the remaining? 1. Understood? Then sine into cosec is 1. Cos into sec is 1. Cot into tan is 1. Just a reciprocal, you multiply or the product, that will be always 1. Now we are coming to quotient relation. What is the quotient relation over given over here? Tan A equals to given what? Sine by cos, and cot is given was cos A by sine A. Okay, the relationship same thing. This you have to do, these things all you have to learn. Okay, now we are coming to identities, the very important part. Three formula are there, but you learn there are total 9 formulas, but you learn 3 formulas. From there we can transpose the left hand side and right hand side. See over here, sine square A plus cos square A equals to 1 I have written. This is the main formula. Now from here what I have written, see I have transposed this one. What is the giving? 1 minus sine square equals to cos A, and 1 minus cos square equals to sine A. Okay, next we are coming to cos sec square a minus tan square a, sec square a minus tan square a equals to 1. Again is transposing this one, see it is coming 1 plus tan square a equals to sec square a, and 1 minus sec square a equals to tan square a. Okay. Now one more, this box part I have made in the box. Why? These formulas you just learn. After the transposing part, left hand side, right hand side, you can easily do it. That will be very easy to do it. But you learn this particular boxes what I have told. Cosec square a minus cot square a equals to 1. From here transpose, the value is coming like this. Now I have taken one example means one question from the exercise only, that 8 Roman 1 sine 35 degree cos 55 and cos 35 and sine 55, and this is given. Now from here we know that in class 9 we have done the complementary angles, right? So we have done the complementary angles means what? From here what we can say that, see, sine 35 is there, but here we need to change as in sine only. Then what I have written, sine 90 minus 35, 90 minus 35, and here also see I have changed this one sine into cos. Why? As because see we have to make it in the what I told you in the square form. Why? As because see we have a identities of what is the formula, sine square a plus cos square a. Now from here also see what is getting, see now in the next part cosec square a, that cosec will be what, sec square a, sec square 9 a, in place of a it is given what, 10 degree. Now it will be 90 minus 10, as because these are complementary angles. Now sine into sine and cos into cos, see both the angles are same. That means what, sine square 35 plus cos square 35, and now sec square 80 minus tan square 80. Sec square, suppose if you take this 80 as a and this is b, then sec square a minus tan square a, what is the value? See, sec square a minus tan square a, sec square 80 degree and minus tan square 80 degree equals to 1. Then from here I have written what the value over here, 1. Now from here we know the sine square theta plus cos square theta value is 1. See over here 1 by 1, what is the value is coming? 1. Okay. Next one more question is there from 11 Roman 2 we are doing. See is given that you have to prove. Now see I written the left hand side over here. I can easily say these are complementary. Complementary what, tan 90 minus theta means what, I can write down cot theta. Here also sine 90 minus theta means what, cos theta. Now see cos and cos is coming down, this will be cancelling out. Clear? This is cancelling out, this is also cancelling out. Then from here tan theta by cot theta, I can write down sine by cos in place of tan, in place of cos cot I can write cos by sine. Now from here after reciprocaling it, see what I got, sine by cos into sine by cos, that is coming sine into sine is sine square theta, cos into cos is cos square theta, then it will be plus 1. Now see in this total what do you know, sine by cos, just now we have done, see tan a equals to a sine a by cos a. Same thing here also coming, see sine theta by cos theta, means if it is given square then we write down what, tan square theta plus 1. Then tan square theta plus 1, what is the value? Sec square theta. See we know that formula, just now we have done the formula also. See 1 plus tan square theta a equals to sec square a. This is the degree, that is not the issue. Okay, I hope you have understood this part also. I'll giving you some sums from these exercises as a homework. Do your homework every day. I'm telling you the same thing, don't keep your work pending. Okay, and those who are having the copy, you can do it in your school copy only, and those who are not having, you do in the rough copy. But once the school opens, I'll be checking each and every copy with the module what you have done. Okay, have a nice day, stay safe, stay healthy, goodbye.